Okay, guys. Today, what I'm going to do is to essentially show you the most important part of the business. Uh, it's a two-part series. The first part is going to focus on how I find the pricing of phones on eBay. What they're going for in the marketplace. And then, secondly, I'm going to show you how to actually find phones for you to purchase in your local market. Okay, so I'm on eBay right now, and today I'm going to focus on the iPhone 4S. Broken iPhone 4S. The reason being, the iPhone 5's been out for a while now, so there's a lot of iPhone 4s in the market. The iPhone 4S, of course, is going to be a little more value than the iPhone 4 base model, I guess you want to say. So you type in iPhone 4S into the search bar, and then from here you're going to start narrowing down your search to actually find what you're looking for. Because right now you see there are over 110,000 results. Too many phones to sort through. Your first thing you want to do is click on cell phones and smartphones. This is going to get rid of all the accessories and junk that is iPhone related but not an actual phone. I'm looking for broken iPhone 4S's, so I'm going to come down here and select for parts are not working. I don't bother too much with the location, but I also always click sold listings, because we want to see what phones are selling for in the actual market, not not what people are trying to sell for. These are actually completed transactions. More refinements, I like to narrow it down by carrier because AT&T typically is going to have the highest sales price for phones. So we've narrowed down the selections. As you can see here, I have a phone sold on the 21st, which was yesterday, 155. We have one here, water damage, one here, as is. These are all broken for parts are not working. This one has a clean IMEI, which I cover in the book, which means it's free and clear on AT&T's network to be activated once you fix the crack back. Phone does not turn on, 205. So basically you just kind of see what the phones are going for. I typically average about, I'll write down the average prices of 10 phones, maybe more, average up the price and see what they're going for. Just off of eyeballing these numbers, I'm going to say right now iPhone 4S, regardless of capacity, and these all appear to be 16, well, there's 132 right there. Mostly 16 gigs are going for about 175. So only the iPhone is going for 175. This is our sales price. So what we want to do is to find phones on Craigslist that are going for obviously less than 175. Ideally, you want to find a phone, 50 bucks cheaper, 100 bucks cheaper, wherever you can. But ideally, this is what this is your sales price. This is how much you're going to get when you sell the phone. So we have to find phones cheaper than this. Again, this is the most important part of your business. If you're buying correctly, you always be in profit. If you start buying bad, then you're going to lose money. So do not cut corners. Do not think you know the market. The market doesn't change that much month to month, but it does change. So you need to, once a month, update your pricing list. Come in here, take you an hour or two, figure out what the phones are going for, update your pricing list, and then you're going to actually go on the Craigslist and start finding phones that you can buy for profit. So this is part one. This is part one of the two-part series, how to actually price your phones on eBay. Part two is coming up.